To perform an e-transfer with Scotiabank, start by logging into your online banking account. Ensure you have the recipient's email address or mobile phone number, as this is required for the transfer. If you are using the Scotiabank mobile app, navigate to the transfer section and select e-transfer. The next step is to select the account from which you want to send the funds. Choose the account with sufficient balance to cover the transfer amount. Enter the recipient's email address or mobile phone number, and the amount you wish to transfer. You also have the option to add a security question and answer, which the recipient will need to answer correctly to receive the funds. Once you have filled in all the details, review the information to ensure everything is correct. If you are satisfied, confirm the transfer and the funds will be sent to the recipient. The recipient will then receive an email or text message with instructions on how to deposit the funds into their account. It is essential to note that the recipient must have an account at a participating Canadian financial institution to receive the e-transfer. Additionally, there may be limits on the amount you can transfer, and some transfers may be subject to a small fee. To receive an e-transfer, the recipient will need to follow the instructions provided in the email or text message. They will be required to answer the security question correctly, if one was set, and then deposit the funds into their account. The recipient has a limited time to claim the transfer, typically 30 days, after which the funds will be returned to the sender. Best practices for using e-transfers include keeping your online banking information secure, being cautious when sending money to unfamiliar recipients, and regularly reviewing your account activity to detect any suspicious transactions. By following these steps and guidelines, you can safely and efficiently use Scotiabank's e-transfer service to send and receive funds.